Hello everyone, this is Adam from bigtuna.io. I got something cool to show you today. It is stickers. Getting my own custom stickers was one of my goals since the release of Miuni32 last year. But due to my work, school, and life, only now I had a chance to get some made. A few nights ago, I shopped around the internet for custom sticker shops, and there were a few reputable ones available. And I chose to give Sticker Mule the first try. They seem to have the nicest web interface and tons of options that would fit my need. So not only stickers, but also magnets and even custom packaging tapes. Along with my Miuni32 custom stickers, I received a bunch of sample stickers which costed me only $1. For $1, it is an incredible amount of fun because the sample pack includes some of my favorite web services like GitHub. For $1, I couldn't go wrong there. My custom stickers came out exactly as I intended. There were no pixelation when looking close. Colors were accurate, and I really have nothing to complain about. So all in all, I'm quite satisfied and glad to say I have done this. And guess what? Some of the extra stickers will be available for purchase at my website, so please stay tuned. Any proceed will help finance my keyboard development.